Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua that is from Holy Quran. Surah Furqaan, ayat number 65 and 66. This is a protection from the punishment of the hell, because hell is the worst place and too much trouble and problems there and painful place. So this way we are requesting Allah that Allah save us from the torment and the punishment of the hell. So we read this dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbana asrif anna azaba jahannama. Inna azabaha kana ghurama. Innaha sa'at mustaqarran wa muqama. Rabbana asrif anna azaba jahannama. Inna azabaha kana ghurama. Innaha sa'at mustaqarran wa muqama. Rabbana asrif anna azaba jahannama. Inna azabaha kana gharama. Innaha sa'at mustaqarran wa muqama. We translate now. We requesting Allah, Rabbana, O our Lord, O our Allah, nasrif anna. So please turn away from us. Rabbana nasrif anna. Please turn away from us azaba, the punishment, jahannama of the hell. Rabbana nasrif anna azaba jahannama. O our Lord, O our Allah, please turn away from us the punishment of the hell. Inna, no doubt, azabaha, the punishment of the hell, kana gharama, it is the worst punishment. Gharama is the meaning is something which can stick a person. Like with our body, something stick, it can't leave the skin. So it can stick with the body, it can't leave it. So inseparable. So we can request Allah like this. Rabbana asrif anna azaba jahannama. O our Lord, O our Allah, please turn away from us the punishment of the hell. Inna azabaha kana gharama. Indeed, its punishment is inseparable, which can't be separated. It means it can stick with the body, it can't be separated. It is too much trouble and painful punishment that stick with the body, and it start pain in the body, and so much we can't afford. So that is too much trouble and problem that will be there. So this way we are requesting Allah to save us from the punishment of the hell. I read one time more this. Rabbana asrif anna azaba jahannama. Inna azabaha kana gharama. O our Lord, O our Allah, please turn away from us the punishment of the hell. Indeed, its punishment is inseparable. Innaha, no doubt, the hell is sa'at, the worst place, mustaqarran, a abode, worst abode, wa muqama, and worst resting place. Innaha sa'at mustaqarran wa muqama. In fact, it is the worst abode and resting place. Rabbana asrif anna azaba jahannama. Inna azabaha kana gharama. Innaha sa'at mustaqarran wa muqama. O our Allah, please turn away from us the punishment of the hell. Indeed, its punishment is inseparable. In fact, this hell is the worst abode and the worst resting place. So this way we are requesting Allah to save us from the punishment of the hell. So if we try to repeat this dua in our daily 5-time prayers, salat, inshallah, Allah will save us from the punishment of the fire. Because out of 24 hours, there is some time which is acceptable time before Allah. Maybe when we are requesting Allah with this dua is the acceptable time, our dua will be accepted, inshallah. So we try to request Allah at least morning and evening this dua in order to save us from the punishment of the hell, because this punishment is inseparable. It means it stick with the body and can't leave the body. It goes into the body and reach up to the end of the heart. So it can make a person so much pain, can't afford there. So this way we are requesting Allah to save us from the punishment of the hell. So repeat this dua as much as you can, at least in the morning and evening. So inshallah, if you continue, Allah will save us from the punishment of the hell. So we make dua from Allah that Allah save us from the punishment of the hell. Ameen.